Hello world! Today, this is something different from my other videos because I used to shoot and post them directly to this channel because I don't talk too much. This is a package I received a couple of hours ago and I didn't have chance to open it yet. So it's very obvious that this package is from StarHub. Oh yes, this is the iPhone 14 Pro that was announced by Apple last week. Yeah, this is a pre-order set during the launch. So if you didn't have chance to get one for you, maybe you have to wait for a couple of weeks, or maybe a month. Okay, before we do the unboxing, I just want to tell you that new iPhones doesn't come with a charger. Because Apple wants to be environmentally friendly, so they make their boxes very slim, so they didn't include the charger anymore. I'm pretty sure that everyone has their own charger from their previous devices, or maybe they have a better one. Okay, let's do the unboxing. Alright. As you can see, there's no charger but lightning cable is included inside the box. This is the iPhone 14 Pro 1TB in gold color. The new iPhone 14 series comes with 4 gorgeous colors: space black, silver, gold, and deep purple. I chose the gold color, which looks more elegant and stunning. As usual, iPhones and other Apple products are human-friendly devices, so easy to set up. Just press and hold the power button, then follow the on-screen setup instructions. There are options to transfer data to the new iPhone. In my case, I will select to transfer my data directly from my old iPhone. I just place the old iPhone beside the new one and continue with the on-screen instruction. Then just select the data to be transferred to the new iPhone. Setting up an Apple Pay can be done later. When transfer is completed, the new iPhone will restart by itself. I can now erase the old iPhone if I want to, but I will just leave it as it is for the meantime. Now as you can see, all settings and data from my old iPhone now transported to the new iPhone and ready to use. Okay, that's all about unboxing. I'm not going to tell every single detail and specs of this iPhone 14 Pro, otherwise it will be redundant from the rest of the informations out there. Here are some of the highlights of the iPhone 14 Pro during the launch event. Watch this.
We've designed this new space to be highly adaptive. When you receive an alert, the dynamic island expands to notify you. Things like confirming your AirPods are connected, muting, or starting a chart. Designed it to show the current album art. It's also completely interactive.
And for those bright sunny days, iPhone can now push brightness even higher for a peak of 2000 nits. This is made possible by a number of new technologies that make the display incredibly powerful.
48 megapixel camera with a quad pixel sensor. Also has a new ultra-wide camera with a larger sensor, more focus pixels, and together with the photonic engine, ProRAW merges the best of our intelligent computational photography.
iPhone 14 Pro also has our new action mode for shooting videos with our best stabilization. Pro filmmakers can also choose to record in 4K at 24 frames per second, the cinematic standard.
It's time to go beyond what a smartphone can do. You are now looking at the most impressive iPhone camera system yet. Now, pro photographers will be able to capture an uncompressed 48 megapixel Pro RAW image.
I can't wait to try shooting 48 megapixel photos and cinematic videos and prove how good this iPhone 14 Pro has to offer. I will be using this more than my mirrorless camera for sure. Please consider subscribing to this channel to see more sample videos coming in. Thanks for watching. Bye. But before I forget, before bringing out your iPhone 14 Pro into action, I recommend getting a high-grade casing for your iPhone, a tempered glass protection for your screen, plus high-grade protection for your camera lens. Please watch some of these quick shots. Here.
Galing to ah.